Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2014 Ford Escape SE all-wheel drive, stock number B9205A. 58,000 miles on this Escape. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Tuxedo black in color. Escape seats 5, cloth interior. Rear seats recline, as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. This SE has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large, easy to operate radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect mobile media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Escape has a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 240 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9205A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.